How are you? I hope you're doing well. This is the look that I'm going to show you that I'll be doing in my makeup video today. It's quite what I like to call a simple look. And I think I've only used one palette to do this. If I'm at work or uni or something like that, this is what my everyday look would look like. It's quite simple and easy to follow. If you guys like my makeup, then please stay tuned, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye guys. I usually start with a primer. Today I want to use the Makeup Revolution primer. It's a 24-hour makeup protection. I've used it in my previous video and I found it to be really good. My brows next, and I'm using the Ka-Brow pomade from Benefit. With the concealer to clean my brows, and I like to use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 40-45. So I'm gonna use this to like conceal my brows, under my brows and above my brows as well. My brows done. Next, I like to do, before I do my concealer, I actually like to do my eyes. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer to prime my eyelid, my eyes, and I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. And what I usually like to do is a transition shade. So I go in with this shade called Burnt Orange, just this one here. And I put that color just in the crease of my eye. And do a wing liner. Foundation, and I like to use my all-time favorite foundation for now. It's the Urban Decay All Nighter foundation, and literally this one lasts me for the all day, and it's full coverage. Then I'm going in, and to blend my foundation I use the Real Technique blender, and I like to use the flat side. I like to highlight using my concealer, and I've been using the Revolution concealer, Makeup Revolution concealer, Conceal and Define. I've got shade C13. I think this is too dark. As I said earlier, it is too dark for me, but I mix it with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Makeup Revolution concealer, the new one, and I'm using shade C15. Bake, and I'm going to use the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I'm going to set my contour using the Studio Fix from MAC. I don't know what shade it is, in shade NW58. I'm going with the palette from Makeup Revolution, and I'm going to use this shade here. It's like it looks brown, but on me it looks quite purplish. Then I'm going in with this Bobbi Brown powder. It's a sheer finish pressed powder, and in colour golden brown, and I'm just gonna like set my entire face with this. I'm going to use this it's an eye pencil from Bobbi Brown, just to underline on my waterline. In my lashes are finally on. Next I want to use a blush, and I like to use actually before the blush I'm going to highlight, and I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Highlight, which is my most favourite highlighter. Using this shade lip liner from MAC, colour Cork. Using lipstick from MAC again, in the shade Cream in Your Coffee. Using the Makeup Revolution setting spray to set my makeup. So guys, that's my finished look. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe if you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!